Grandparents' rights in Texas. Grandparents in Texas play an important role in their grandchildren's lives, offering emotional support, guidance, and love. But when situations arise that limit or deny access to grandchildren, it can leave grandparents confused and heartbroken. Knowing your rights under Texas law is critical to understanding your options when access is denied or restricted. Texas law does not automatically grant visitation or custody rights to grandparents. However, there are legal paths available if certain conditions are met. Working with a qualified attorney can help you protect the relationship you've built with your grandchildren, especially in difficult family circumstances like divorce, incarceration, or death of a parent. The legal landscape in Texas. Grandparents' rights in Texas are governed by the Texas Family Code, which prioritizes the child's best interests while balancing the rights of the parents. Under certain conditions, grandparents may pursue visitation or even custody of their grandchildren. Visitation, often referred to as possession and access, can be granted when the court determines that denying access would significantly harm the child's emotional or physical well-being. Custody, or conservatorship, is more complex. A court may grant custody if a parent is deemed unfit or unable to provide adequate care. Adoption is another area where grandparents may step in, especially if parental rights have been terminated. These cases require a thorough legal process, including petitions, home studies, and final court hearings. When can grandparents pursue visitation or custody? In Texas, grandparents may file for visitation or custody when at least one of several conditions is met. These include if a parent is deceased, incarcerated, incompetent, or has lost custody. Additionally, if a grandparent has lived with the child for at least 6 months, they may also have legal standing. When filing, grandparents must prove that denying access would harm the child's well-being. Courts look at many factors including the strength of the grandparent-grandchild relationship, the grandparent's ability to provide a stable home, and whether the grandparent has a history of abuse or neglect. Even when grandparents meet all legal requirements, the court always places the child's welfare above all else. The process for exercising grandparents' rights. To assert legal rights, grandparents file a suit affecting the parent-child relationship, SAPSR. This formal legal petition must include compelling evidence and align with state requirements. The process may include court hearings, witness testimonies, and background checks. Grandparents may also pursue modification of an existing custody order if circumstances change. In adoption cases, grandparents must meet eligibility criteria, secure consent when necessary, and complete a home study. If approved, a final hearing will legally establish the grandparent as the child's adoptive parent. This gives the grandparent full legal responsibility for the child. The attorney you choose plays a key role in filing these petitions, navigating the process, and ensuring the best possible outcome. An experienced lawyer will guide you through each step and help present a strong case in court. Don't wait to protect your relationship. The bond between a grandparent and grandchild is invaluable, and Texas law recognizes this in specific situations. If you are being denied access to your grandchild, consulting a family lawyer can be the first step toward reclaiming your place in their life. A law firm with experience in grandparents' rights cases can provide the support and legal strategies needed to navigate this challenging area. For legal help with visitation, custody, or adoption matters involving your grandchildren, contact the law office of Whitney L. Thompson, PLLC at 281-214-0173. Visit us at 4201 Farm to Market 1960 Road W Suite 360, Box number 116B, Houston, Texas, 77068, United States.